the day Brian told me about this, sabi niya, Mayor, I think it's nice to have a tikoy making contest. I think that's a really nice idea kasi we have to always look for something new, different, and innovative. So I said, yes, let's proceed. So, but where do we do it? That's the question. Good thing we have a very supportive mall head in the presence of course, Architect Rene Bacani. At pinagamit nga po itong ating venue ngayon dito sa Green Hills Mall. So we're very honored to be here and thankful that you have allowed us to use your very nice venue. Sa lahat po ng nakilahok, ang sarap ng inyong mga tikoy. Yung iba ko, nasubukan ko kanina at nagagawa ko ng short video about yung mga tikoy ninyo para hindi lang yung mga nandito kayo na makakaalam, pati yung mga nanonood ng ating mga social media posts. So the others later, I'll go around also to try your tikoy. But we're here to celebrate Chinese New Year and no better way than to try different kinds of tikoy. Alam niyo, tuwing Chinese New Year, nakakaranas ako ng tikoy overload. No, talaga, pag-uwi ko sa bahay, ang daming box ng tikoy. Sa opisina, ang daming box ng tikoy. Pero kadalasan, huwag niyong susumbong sa iba, pare-parehas ang lasa. Di ba? So ngayon, curious ako, paano magiging kakaiba ang tikoy? Diba? So, nakakatuwa kasi nga, yung creativity natin, di ba? Yung paraan kung paano natin siya gawing kakaiba, ito yung pinapamalas din ngayon. So again, to everyone present, thank you for supporting this program and I'm excited to try the others. And the grand winner will receive 20,000 pesos and the second place will receive 15,000 pesos and the third place will receive 10,000 pesos and the People's Choice Award winner will receive 5,000 pesos and there will be a consolation prize of 3,000 pesos for all other contestants. So, congratulations in advance. And again, an advance Happy Chinese New Year to everyone. Mabuhay po tayo.